Hello Bumble users and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm here to guide you on how to change your password on Bumble dating app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Bumble application on your device. Here you can see two methods of creating your account. If you have used your mobile number to create your account, then you can't change your password. But if you have created your account using Facebook, then you can change your Facebook password in order to change your Bumble password. So if you wish to change the password of your Bumble account, locate your Facebook app on your device and tap to open it. Now click on the menu icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon on the top of your screen. Now you have been directed to the settings of your Facebook. Look for password and security, then click on it. Now you will be directed to the account center. Again click on password and security. Now tap on change password. Now click on your account to make the changes. Then enter your current password followed by new password. Now retype your new password. Make sure you retype the same password you have entered in your new password box. Now tap on change password. That's it. Now you have changed your Facebook password. After changing your Facebook password, open your Bumble account and click on continue with Facebook. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your Bumble password through Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.